Got something really cool here. It's from Mellif. They actually sent me that bug zapper that works so cool. So they went ahead and sent me this. I'm not getting paid. They just sent me this for review. It's a Model D20 AG100S angle grinder, 20 volt brushless. Of course, it runs off 20 volts, so it's cordless. Super cool. This would be real handy. I don't even have a 4-inch grinder anymore, or any grinder. And been wanting one. Well, they sent me this, so it works out pretty good. I'm going to take it out, check it out, see what it does. It does have some specifications here on the box. Brushless, says 5-inch, quick release, has 3 speeds, 1, 2, and 3, 4,000 RPM, 6,000 RPM, 8,500 RPM. So let's take this thing out of the box, see what it's like, because I have been needing one of these when I'm working on stuff, especially cordless. I've never had a cordless at all. So this will be pretty cool. And the coolest part of this is it runs off of DeWalt batteries. And I'm a DeWalt person, so I got lots of DeWalt batteries. That definitely looks good from there. There's the manual right there. It don't come with a grinder blade at all. I wish it did, because I don't think I have one. Plugs in DeWalt battery. That's good. It definitely runs and sounds good. This is obviously a lock you push down, so you can take this off with this wrench and put on a new grinder wheel. And then we have this guard, which is a good idea too. And you lock it down, well, you can also, depending on what you're doing, you can turn this different angles and lock it down. Like so. Then we have a handle, comfortable handle. Can be put on either side. I'm right-handed, so usually, I'll probably put this on this side, try it, and like so. So that'd be cool. Depending on which hand you want it on, I don't know exactly yet, but you can swap it pretty easy. I have to get a blade and put on here, but it sounds really good. So right here, obviously we have our mode. Push this button, there's 1. Push it again, 2. Right there's 3. So there's 1. So it's definitely slow. Oh yeah. There's 3. So it's really cranking on 3. Kickback control, it says right there. Looks good. And I like the rubbery grips right here, and here both. So that's really, really comfortable in your hand. And this is 20 volt max battery, runs off 20 volt battery. So I got a 5 amp hour, some 2 amp hours, and a 6 amp hour. So any of them would fit on this. No problem. Definitely like that it's brushless. Here's our info on the side. We just need to get a grinder wheel and put on there. Okay, so as far as putting blades on here, this is a 7/8 arbor. This is a 5/8 shaft, but you don't go by the shaft size, and you go by the arbor size because it's flared right here. So the way this one's designed is it can go this way, and anything 1/8 inch or bigger will fit in there. If you get anything thinner like a 1/16, you can flip it over like this in here. So this is a 1/4 inch, which is thick. So we use it like this, where these both go to the inside, tying it down, 7/8 hole. This is a 5-inch grinding wheel. You can use anything from like this 4.5 or 5 inch, as long as it's got a 7/8 hole. So we put this one on here. This is a 1/16, real thin. It works fine, but you can't put this side in because if you do it, it just spin. So we need to put it like this. But works good. Works just like it's intended to. So we put that on there. Put our blade on. We'll flip it over this way. Put our blade on there and put it like this with the raised part up. Spin that on. And then to tighten it, we just push our button and that locks it. And we can tighten it down like so. So now we'll take this thing out and see if we can cut something with it. Okay, so I got this old steel post here. I want to cut this wire off. It's got some barbed wire around it. Can't really cut it with the little wire cutters I got, but this should cut it good. Oh yeah. That cut it right off there. We're good. And now we can grind on the end of this post. Now that's on setting high. Let's put this on low right here. Okay, here's low. Slow and slow. Slow, still got a lot of power. Put it on high. But a lot better on high. That works great. I do like that when you turn it on and when it goes off, it has a brake. See how fast that stops? It's got a good brake on it. Works really good. Like the extra handle. And I can power down on it. And it still handles it. It does great. As good as any. I mean, this is going to be real handy. Okay, guys, that is the Mellif Model D20-AG100S 20-volt brushless cordless angle grinder. Super cool. Does a super good job. I'm really impressed. It's really packed with features. It's got tons of power. I mean, run it off your DeWalt batteries. Save you a lot of money for a good grinder. So far, I like it. I'm going to do a lot of grinding with this thing. I've got lots of different projects I need to do, and I didn't have a grinder. This is going to be great. And the cool part about this is out here RV living like I am, and I need lots of stuff that is cordless. That's why I like the DeWalt 20-volt max stuff. Because of the good batteries. And you can even get Mellif batteries and a charger too. I mean, if you want for a lot less price. So they have lots of other things. So we're going to do hopefully some more reviews of their stuff. Thank you all for watching Woodman Adventures. I will post a link in the description below where you can check this out. We'll catch you all in the next video. Click the thumbs up. Right on.